Well, Ryan, you came back to us here in Maine from Connecticut, and we really eased you in with the weather we were having. And
Two and a half weeks of dry.
Yeah, and now there's something to talk about.
Yes, there is. We do have some rain on the way, but we really do need it, and the timing is convenient coming here during the middle of the week. Tomorrow, though, is still a fairly decent day. It'll be mostly cloudy, so not as much sun as we saw today, with just a chance for a shower, but most of tomorrow will be dry. Thursday, though, is the day with rain, and some of the new data coming in tonight continuing to suggest more than an inch of rain possible in parts of the state. But the weekend brings improvement, and Sunday especially looks like a pretty nice day. Tonight there are just some clouds passing through. For the most part, it is quiet. There are some showers back to the west, but a lot of that will dry up tomorrow. It's really Thursday that we'll have rain moving in here. So we'll go through this hour by hour through the rest of the night. It's partly to mostly cloudy. There could be a sprinkle in spots, but I think it's dry for much of the night tonight. Tomorrow, your best bet for staying dry is going to be in eastern and central Maine, and that's also where there may be a bit more sun for a while in the morning. The rest of us should be rather cloudy, and again, just a spotty shower during the day tomorrow. I think most of the day will end up being dry, though. With the cloud cover and with the wind coming in off the water, won't warm up a whole lot tomorrow. High temperatures generally between 60 and 65. Now tomorrow night will begin dry, but there may be some showers, especially over in New Hampshire by about this time tomorrow night. And then after midnight toward Thursday morning, this is when steadier rain starts developing. I think especially in western Maine, it should be quite wet first thing in the morning on Thursday. Eastern Maine, it'll take a bit longer, but look at the map here by 9 a.m. A lot of us dealing with a wet morning commute on Thursday, and that's kind of round one of the rain. It looks like some heavier rain and maybe even a few thunderstorms come in Thursday afternoon and for Thursday evening's commute. And if this comes to fruition, we may have some places that get up over 2 inches of rain, and there could be some thunder within this as well late in the day on Thursday. So right now it looks like good odds for at least an inch of rain in much of the state, and there may be some places, especially in western and southern Maine, where we get up close to 2 inches of much needed rain at this point. So this system goes by on Thursday. Then for Friday, it's mainly dry. Clouds will linger and there may be a spot shower. Over the weekend, high pressure will build down, but it takes a little while to dry things out completely. So I think Sunday is probably the pick of the weekend with the most sunshine and temperatures back up into the 70s. But this high is really important for us because it will hold what's now Tropical Storm Helene to our south. We won't get much of anything from this system, but taking a look at the forecast track over the next couple of days, it's expected to strengthen rapidly in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, becoming a Category 2 hurricane by Thursday morning and then making landfall by Thursday evening somewhere on the Big Bend area of Florida. And this storm will be racing north, which means a big impact for the southeast, but notice where it's going, not near us at all, which means good news for our weekend. Seas tomorrow 3 to 5 feet, small craft advisory remains in effect. So just a chance for a shower tomorrow, but I think it's a mostly dry day. Wet on Thursday with the potential for an inch or more of rain, a spot shower on Friday, and then the weekend looks pretty nice overall. Bit more cloud cover Saturday. Sunday, though, should be quite nice with highs up around 70.
Yeah, you timed it perfectly there.
Working on it.
Yeah, thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.